Hello, hello, my beautiful students. How are you today? I hope you're all doing good. Today, we're gonna learn about an interesting sound. So, we have two letters make one sound, okay? We have A and Y make the sound A, okay? A and Y make the sound A. For example, we have this one is clay. Clay. Okay? Look at this here. A and Y make the sound A. And we have this one. This color is gray. Gray. Look at this. Can you notice that? We pronounce them in one sound, which is A. A and Y make the sound A. It will be gray. And here we have hey. Hey, you notice that we just make one sound here, which is A. Huh? With A will be hey. And this one is play. P-L, we pronounce them pull, and we make the just one sound for A and Y, which is A. So pull with A will be play. Okay? So we have play, hey, gray, and clay. All of them make A and Y make one sound, which is A. And here we have A and I. When we have A and I in the middle of the word, they just make one sound, which is A, okay? When we have A and I in the middle of the word, they make the sound A. For example, we have R. A and I make the sound A, so it will be R. A and N will be rain. Rain. Notice that the sound in the middle is A. Okay? And here we have train. Train. Can you notice the sound A in the middle? Train. And this here we have chain. 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 C and H, we pronounce them as one sound, which is ch, ch, ch. A and R, we pronounce them as one sound, which is A. Ch with A will be chay, with N will be chain. Chain. Okay? And here we have P with A will be pay. P with A will be pay, with N will be pain, and with T will be paint. Can you notice the A sound in the middle? Pay, paint. This is the sound A. It's about letter A and letter I, okay? And here we have nail, nail. It's about letter N, A, with L will be nail, okay? Now let's try to pronounce this one. P-A-L, pale. P-A-L will be pale. Now let's try to just spell this one. P-A-N-T. Can you spell it for me? Good work. It will be paint. P with A will be pay. With N will be pain. With it will be paint. Okay? And here we have play. P with L will be pull. A and Y make the sound A, so pull with A will be play. Here we have the letter W, which is its sound is W, W, W. A and I make the sound A, so W with A will be way, with T will be wait. Wait. Can you notice the sound A in the middle? Good job. And here we have P with A will be pay. Excellent. P with A will be pay. And here we have, can you pronounce this for me, please? Pay, day. Good job. This is day. D with A will be day. And I want from you to spell this word for me. R-A-N will be rain. Rain. Good work. So let's watch this video to learn more about the sound A from the letters A and I, A and Y, okay?
Ain, ain.
A, eight, eight. Ain, eight, wait. Ain, train. Wait, wait, wait. Train, train, train. Wait for the train.
A, eight, eight. Ain. Eight, wait. Ain, train. Wait, wait, wait. Train, train, train. Wait for the train.
A1. Ain, ain, rain. Ain, Spain. A, day. Way. Rain, rain, rain. Way, way, way. A rainy day on the way to Spain.
Ain, ain. Ain, rain. Ain, Spain. A, day. Way. Rain, rain, rain. Way, way, way. A rainy day on the way to Spain.
A2. Ale, ale. Ale, tail. Ale, snail. Tail, tail, tail. Snail, snail, snail. A snail has a tail.
Ale, ale, tail. Ale, snail. Tail, tail, tail. Snail, snail, snail. A snail has a tail.
So look at this. Tail, tail, tail. A snail, snail, snail. A snail has a tail. All of them make the sound A in the middle, okay? So thank you, KG, for joining me today. I wish you will understand this lesson very well and see you later. Goodbye.